Another cruise ship restart is delayed due to COVID-19. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Before we get started, if you would do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so, helps our channel grow, and does allow us to continue bringing you cruising content. We are this close to our first milestone of 1,000 subscribers. So if you have not subscribed yet, definitely please hit that button. And of course, thank you to everybody that has subscribed, and thank you to everybody that will subscribe while watching this video. So we've already seen it happen once this week already. The Bahamas Paradise Test Cruise, which was actually supposed to happen yesterday, was delayed due to COVID-19 on board the ship with one crew member. And today, it's Disney Cruise Lines. So the Disney Dream was supposed to sail today on its initial test cruise. That way it could be issued the conditional sailing certificate. Now, Disney Cruise Line has stated that they are going with the test cruise route because they are a family-oriented cruise. You're gonna have a lot of families and especially children on board a Disney cruise ship. So going the fully vaccinated route just would not work for them. It doesn't meet their demographics. But the Disney Dream has now been delayed till next month for their test sailing due to what Disney is calling inconsistent COVID test results amongst the crew members. Now, they have not specified exactly what they mean by inconsistent. They haven't confirmed that there were positive crew members or any steps that were taken. They just said due to inconsistent test results, the test sailing has been delayed until next month aboard the Disney Dream. She was going to sail with 300 members of the volunteer crew that were going to be on board as passengers. But of course, with the current COVID situation, they're going to delay the test sailings. Now, this is a smart choice by Disney, just like it has been a smart choice by the other cruise lines that have had COVID amongst the crew. They're going to wait. They're going to take a step back, get everybody quarantined that needs to be quarantined, get it to where everybody is passing the COVID-19 test before they begin any kind of operations, even test sailings. So kudos to Disney Cruise Line for at least doing the right thing. Now, also at this time, Disney has not released any information as to whether or not it's going to affect any future bookings. But if any information on that does come out, of course, we will let you know as soon as we hear. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.